Yes, welcome again to my channel. So let's take up another topic for communication. Yes, so this is Albert Mehrabian model. So today we are going to understand thoroughly what does this Albert Mehrabian model says. So Albert Mehrabian was actually a philosopher who had coined this principle of communication, this model of communication, and it is very much useful and applicable till this day. What does he say? Albert Mehrabian says that there are three elements of communication. When we talk about communication, he says there are three elements. What are those three elements according to him? These are spoken words, voice and tone, and body language. Now he says, see, the entire communication, whatever extent of communication we do, we undertake throughout our life, if we think that, if we consider it as a whole 100% communication, out of those 100% of communication, 55% is contributed only by the body language, right? सो जितना भी कम्युनिकेशन हम करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, उसका 55%, राइट, मोर देन 50%, मोर देन हाफ, जितना भी कम्युनिकेशन हम करते हैं उसका मोर देन हाफ इज़ कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड बाय अ बॉडी लैंग्वेज, राइट। दैट मीन्स जो भी हम बोलते हैं, वेन एवर वी स्पीक, वी यूज़ वर्ड्स टू स्पीक, बट हमारे वर्ड्स और मैसेज उतने अच्छे तरीके से या उतना राइटली कन्वे नहीं करते हैं जितना राइट और एक्यूरेट मैसेज कन्वे होता है हमारी बॉडी लैंग्वेज से। सो 55% of the entire whole communication that we undertake throughout our life is contributed by body language only. Then on the second place comes voice and tone. So this extent is 38%, like, so फिर वही entire 100% communication का 38% is contributed by our voice and tone. So whatever words we use to say, to convey, to communicate with our peers or with the friends or anyone else around us, उसका 38% is actually communicated by the voice. The way we speak those words, the way we convey those messages, right? How are we conveying, which type of tone we are using, what is the pitch that we are using, at which pitch we are speaking those words, that will be contributed up to 38%. And then comes to the spoken words, it is only 7%. Isn't it surprising to understand that only 7% is contributed by the words? The entire communication जितना हम करते हैं throughout our life, उसका only 7% is communicated through words. Now let us understand this concept thoroughly. See, words can be easily manipulated. You all agree to this point that words can be easily manipulated. Like whatever is going on in your mind, you may be you may not be thinking good of the other person. You may be thinking of something else, but it is very easily, very effortlessly you can just manipulate words and you say something else. So this is very much simple. So that's why we say that words are always very much deceptive. Words को manipulate करना is such an easy task that small children also do this thing. आप बोलते कुछ और हो, आपका मीनिंग कुछ और होता है, आपकी टोन कुछ और होती है, राइट? सो दैट्स वाई वी से वर्ड्स जो हैं, लिटरल वर्ड्स जो हैं, दे ओनली कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू 7% of the entire communication that takes place in our life, or say in 24 hours of the day. Then coming to 38% of voice and tone. अब वॉइस एंड टोन, आपने कुछ भी मैसेज कन्वे किया, आपके वर्ड्स कुछ और थे, बट आपका उस बात को करने का जो वे था वो डिफरेंट था। तो जो वे है, द टोन दैट यू आर यूजिंग टू कम्युनिकेट एक्चुअली सेज अ लॉट अबाउट व्हाट यू रियली इंटेंड टू कम्युनिकेट। आपकी टोन से वो चीज़ें कम्युनिकेट हो जाती हैं जो वर्ड्स डिसीव करते हैं, राइट? सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस बाय दिस एग्जाम्पल दैट आई हैव रिटन हियर. See, this is a simple sentence. I beg your pardon. तो इसको हम कितने अलग अलग टाइप से अलग अलग टोन में बोल रहे हैं, लाइक गिविंग यूजिंग डिफरेंट इंटोनेशन, यूजिंग डिफरेंट पिच, राइट, और यूजिंग डिफरेंट स्ट्रेस. We are giving stress on different words and the meaning of the entire sentence is changing, though the words are the same. Again, देखो चारों sentences में words बिल्कुल same हैं. But if we say simple sentence, I beg your pardon, this is a simple statement, right? And when you just put an interrogation sign of interrogation, it becomes a question. I beg your pardon. Or if you pay stress on the first word I, it will change. Still, it will change the entire meaning. I beg your pardon. I, like, I want to convey, like, I have not done anything wrong. You have done something wrong. You should ask for apologies from me. And you are asking me to offer apologies. So I beg your pardon. So this is the meaning conveyed by this sentence. Similarly, if we say, I beg your pardon, no ways. Your pardon, like, you, who are you? Like, I have not done anything wrong to you. I have done something, I have done some mistake. फॉर समवन एक्स वाई जेड, कोई और प्रेजेंट है उस मोमेंट पे, तो उसके साथ ठीक है मैंने कुछ गलत बिहेव किया है, एंड यू आर सेइंग कि मैं तुम्हारे से माफ़ी मांगू, वाई शुड आई आस्क फॉर अपॉलॉजीज फ्रॉम यू, राइट. सो सी, डिफरेंट वर्ड्स पे स्ट्रेस देने से हमारी इंटोनेशन चेंज हो रही है, वी आर स्पीकिंग इन अ डिफरेंट टोन, एंड दैट्स वाई द मीनिंग्स आर चेंज्ड कॉन्स्टेंटली. वो चेंज हो रहे हैं, हम एक ही वर्ड को अलग अलग टाइप से बोल रहे हैं, तो हमारा मीनिंग चेंज हो रहा है. और तो हमारा जो मीनिंग है, दैट मीनिंग इज़ वेरी इजली अंडरस्टैंडेबल बाय the other person, is very much easily, understanding what we want to say. The meaning is very clearly understandable. All right, so this is what was being conveyed by Albert Mehrabian. तो उसने एक डायग्राम भी हमें प्रपोज किया है. दिस इज द डायग्राम, एंड whenever you get a question in your exam, you must draw this diagram, right? It's very simple by diagram. तो 55% आपको ऐसे शो करना है, 38% with a different color or different design, and then 7% for the words that we use, right? So दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट एल्बर्ट मेहरेबियन मॉडल, और इसको हम बोलते हैं 738-55 रूल. अगर आपको एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द 738-55 रूल, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ अबाउट एल्बर्ट मेहरेबियन मॉडल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, right? So I hope I have made this concept very clear. Still, if you have any queries or any doubt regarding this concept, you are always welcome to drop your messages, you drop your queries in the comment box below, and keep studying hard. If you are finding any other topic hard enough related to communication, you can tell me about that topic also. We can discuss any topic related to communication at length. So wish you all the best for your examination. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.